Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a ring light stand. And for this one in particular, it's not like your typical ring light. This one is the one where you can put onto your desk. And it also gives you guys a clamp option to actually hold your phone. So that way if you guys want to do video calls or if you guys want to do TikTok or whatever, you definitely have the option available. If you guys can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. So once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So the first thing inside, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And right in that, we do have everything else. So take it all out. So the first thing inside right here, we do have the ring light. I want to take out everything else first before I show you guys this. Because if you can see in the bottom, there's a lot more stuff. So the first thing in the bottom, if you can see they do provide you guys a stand option. And for the bottom part right here, they do have a very nice pad. So that way it won't damage the surface when you guys do put on the table. And then for the top part right here, it is a high quality material. And for this part right here is where you have to screw it on for the stand option or the little pole, which is right here. So let's do take it out. Here is what the product looks like. So what you're gonna do is screw this on right here. And that is what the product looks like with that part. And the cool thing about this part right here is the fact that you do have the option to extend it. So if you guys do pull it, that is basically how far it can go. If you guys want to lock it, you basically want to turn this part right here. And that basically locks it. So you guys can push it down anymore. And that way it can support the ring light when you guys do set it up. And the last thing inside is basically a clamp option for your phone. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So for the bottom part right here, top part, and also for the back part right here, they do have a nonstick material to prevent from moving around and prevent your phone from getting scratches when you guys do set it up. Back part right here, we do have a ball head design for you guys to move it around if you guys do need to. And then for this part right here is where you can clamp it onto the actual stand. So we have to open up. Take this part out, and you basically want to open it up to put it onto the pole, which is right here, just like that. And let's say you guys want to keep it right there, you basically want to lock it in, just like that. And now you basically have a stand option right there to hold your phone, which is pretty cool. Now the last thing for the setup is the ring light option on top. So let's do take it out. Here is basically what the ring light looks like. So pretty much this whole entire part right here is a ring light. And when you guys do fit the materials on here, it definitely feels pretty nice and very smooth. Bottom part right here is where you can screw it on to the actual stand. And then for the other side right here, you can see we do have the button for you to turn it on, increase the brightness, lower the brightness, and etc. And then for the bottom part right here, you can see we do have like a bulb button. So I'm assuming that is for you guys to change the color temperature or something. And then for this part right here is a USB option. So you basically want to plug into a wall adapter or power bank or something to actually generate power on the product. And then right here is basically what the back part looks like. And for this part right here, you can see we do have the option for you to move it forward and backward. And then right here, we do have the option for you to tighten up or loosen it. So once you guys tighten up, you guys can't move it anymore. But once you guys loosen it, then you guys can move it again. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's set it up on the stand and turn it on to show you guys how well it works. So if you guys do screw it on, once you guys do screw it on, this is what the product looks like. Now let's put our phone on here to show you guys what it looks like before she turn it on. So right here to my phone, if you guys put it on, once you guys do put it on, this is what the product looks like. And now you can do the video conference or whatever. And if you guys want to remove your phone, feel free to do so. All you need to do is just pull it out. So just like that. Very easy and very simple. Now let's plug in cable to show you guys how well it works. So one thing that I do want to mention when you guys do use it, you guys want to make sure to use the correct outlet. The way how to design the USB option or cable that's on here, it only supports up to 2A speed or 5V. So if you guys use anything above that, it will not support it because it has the built-in over voltage protection to protect it. So that is definitely something to remember when you guys do use a USB option to plug it into an outlet. If you guys plug anything besides the 2A speed, then it will not support it. It won't turn on. It's not because it does not work, but it's because of that protection. So once you guys do plug it in, you can see it does light up. So now let's turn it on and test it out. So if you guys do press the power button, you can see how the light does turn on. And the light that's on here is pretty bright, if you can see. If you guys want to increase the brightness, press the up button. If you guys want to bring it down, press the down button. And I believe if you guys press and hold the button, that will basically allow you guys to increase and lower as well. And if you guys press the both button, that basically allows you guys to change the different color temperature on here. So this one right here is 1, here is 2, and 3. So there's basically a warm option, a bright white option, and a really bright white option. So just to show you guys the difference on here, here is 1, here is 2, and here is 3. I love how they do have this space right here for you guys to put your stuff, maybe like your laptop or anything else right here to keep everything all organized, and that way you can get easy access to grab whatever you guys want. But once you guys are done using it, you can press the power button. and that will basically turn it off. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that it does have this little panel, so that way when you guys look directly under light, it will not hurt your eye, which is really useful, especially if you guys do video calls or if you guys are recording a video or something. And obviously when you guys use any kind of ring light, it definitely makes a huge difference for you guys to do recording, for makeup, or anything else. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality desk ring light that you can use for video conferences, video meeting, recording stuff, makeup, or anything else, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.